blood cells. So,
was it a latte? Did you get that latte?
I did get a latte. I got almond milk and also regular milk, so they could just fight it out.
I couldn't do the almond milk. That would give my booty the hives. I'm allergic.
Which leads me to my... interviewing. You're watching me interview Mr. Tracy Morgan.
Listen, I don't know what the only thing I know is a byproduct of those ballpark friends. I know,
way over 30 years. I juice like every day. Every day I juice.
YouTube back in the...
You played Cato.
Yeah. Did you know that Cato is actually the name of a Native American tribe? Ever done a Zoom before?
You look
fantastic.
Better.
Well, I don't feel better. I feel like I have to be completely honest with you. I took a coffee enema, and it's just...
I have 5 suede jackets and 4.
So you are. I heard that you are also.
Listen, I don't know what the only thing I know is a byproduct of those ballpark Franks.
Well,
they put. That's why I eat butter sausage. I love.
So ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretation, and in some syntactical context, vagueness. So ambiguity means indecisiveness.
Underlying mechanism that governs the fundamental nature of humor, primarily comedy or stand-up comedy, and I got into the subfields or subsets of linguistics, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics.
And things like vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and how three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep logical, the psychopathological, the pathophysiological, the neurocognitive, the neurological and the cognitive, and last but not least, the miscellaneous, where we'll explore a number of different variances. Begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think that it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, if you're...
Oh, there he is. There's Tracy. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you.
Yo, what's going on? Can y'all hear me clearly?
Yeah, we could hear you real nice. You sound great. You look great. Fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some questions. Some other people wrote some questions. We could do the questions. We could riff, maybe a little bit of both.
Okay. Do you remember we worked together?
I don't know what that means, man, but I really thought that was funny, you know?
I don't know what it meant either, but it was quick. Sometimes when it's quick, it doesn't need to make sense.
You know what? Why don't we just, you know what? I think it's time to play a game, you know?
Okay.
Speaking it quick. I'm gonna make a noise, then you're gonna make a noise.
Okay.
So make a noise, make a noise. We're just kind of making it happen today. We are interviewing, I'm interviewing, you're not.
Things like art and music, if you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you a...
I don't do it anymore. I fell off a motorcycle twice, hit my head twice, and...
Okay, it's me, Robert Downey Jr., your best friend, your mentor, your zenith, if you used to own a television.
My infatuation is more within the context of the
choreographed march across your forehead, and
psychopathology. No two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomena.
Dude.
We understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now we're going to take
the everything beige. What's this beige thing?
Equalization, you know, two different hands, you know, holding one holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off, you know. It feels like an equilibrium, you know. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind, comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. They're the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different...
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand...
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? Great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, you know, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out, you know.
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some... Don't know exactly if he's gonna come in on the button.
This beige thing. Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul. I am not laughing. I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some text from him I want to go over.
Yeah, or the deep delta state, where
and I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. You have dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore. They don't want to ask anymore.
Retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Yeah, share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are off the sort of
freaking caps.
my views a bit to the theta or the show, which is the reality.
I wish you would
kind of create a little equilibrium. I feel you let me ask the question.
Animism implement